Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, connecting your Phantom Wallet to CoinMarketCap is a game changer for tracking your assets seamlessly. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done quickly and without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet installed. If you don't, head over to the Chrome Web Store or your preferred browser's extension store, search for Phantom Wallet, and add it to your browser. Once that's done, open the extension and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase for security. Next, fire up CoinMarketCap on your browser. It's the go-to site for crypto prices and data. Look for the Connect Wallet option, usually found in the top right corner or under your profile settings. Click on it, and you'll see a list of supported wallets. Select Phantom from the options. Now, a pop-up from Phantom Wallet will appear asking for permission. Review the details carefully, then hit Connect to link the two. This might involve signing a message to verify your ownership, so follow the prompts. Once connected, head back to CoinMarketCap and check your portfolio. You should see your wallet's assets displayed in real time. If everything looks good, you're all set. But if you run into issues, like connection errors, try refreshing the page or ensuring your wallet is unlocked. A quick tip: always double-check for the latest updates, as crypto tools evolve fast in 2025. This connection helps you monitor prices and make smarter decisions without switching apps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.